Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your text appear word by word in CapCut. So this is a CapCut tutorial mobile version. All you have to do is open one of your project here. For example, let's try open my projects that I took from library for practicing. So for example, you can add text first here. Type add text, just a simple text here. You can choose the fonts by default or a from custom font that you already downloaded. So enter the text here. After you add fonts, you can try to make it whole fonts into your video, and then you can tap again your fonts and this one style or animation. Here, let's try animation first. So you can go to the animation and try to search the type 3 here. Here you can make it longer. It's about a 12-second for maximum. And here we go. This is how you can create your text appear word by word. And also you can try if you want to use a captions. You can try use this auto caption, but you have to join Pro first and try to search the animation word by word. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.